Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be cooking assorted stew, aka Buka stew. So I have my pot on fire. I'll be adding palm oil into it. I'll be adding 2 spoons of palm oil into it. And I'll also be adding 1 spoon of vegetable oil into it. So I'll be using a mixture of both vegetable and palm oil. I'm gonna allow the oil to get heat up. So in here I have my boiled pepper sauce. So in the pepper sauce I have red bell pepper, tomato, scotch bonnet, onions, and the long red sweet pepper. So I boiled it, so I'm gonna be pouring that into my pot now. Boiled pepper, I boiled it for roughly about 30 to 40 minutes. So the water in it is dried up, but not not so dry. So because I want to achieve a very thick stew, so I'm just gonna allow this to cook with the oil, and then I'll be adding my Maggi, salt, and the lights into it. So I'll be allowing this to cook for 5 to 10 minutes more. So this has been boiling for roughly about 10 minutes now. I'll be adding my SHAKI and POMO, which is tribe. I need them to get it to be more softer, because obviously you won't want to be struggling to eat that. So I'm going to add that first and allow it to boil again for another 10 minutes. And the reason why it's called Buka stew is because you have a lot of meat in it, a lot of protein, different ones. I've got SHAKI, I've got POMO, I've got cow nose, and then I've got turkey and chicken. So that I'll be adding those one to it last. But this tends to be hard, so I'm just gonna allow that to boil again. I'm gonna stir that in. Sorry guys, I should have added my Maggi and salt before adding the meat into it, the protein into it. So I'll be adding Maggi now into it. Adding 4 cubes and the salt to stay. So I'll be adding my a teaspoon of salt. So I'll be adding 4 cubes of Maggi into it now. And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to give it a stir and allow this to boil for another 5 to 10 minutes before adding my other protein into it. Okay, so I'm doing this on a very low to medium heat. So this is my Buka stew. I'll be adding the chicken and the turkey into it now. So because obviously they are very soft already, so just need to add them to it lastly. So I'll be adding my chicken into the sauce now. And I'll just allow it to cook for another 4 to 10 minutes so that the soup can, so I can cook well in this stew. Tip number 1: you want to use a wooden spoon to be able to mix this together, because no other spoon will be able to do that properly for you. So tip, use a wooden spoon. And then second tip is add your soft protein lastly, because you don't want it to get soft. So protein like chicken, turkey, you make sure they go in lastly. So guys, this is my Buka stew ready. Look at that. This is very lovely and spicy as well. There's not so much spice, but it's spicy and it's very lovely. It gives you that aroma taste. So that's my Buka stew. Yeah, you can see how You can have this with any meal of your choice. It's my Buka stew, guys. You see that? It's lovely, isn't it?